Welcome back to the channel. Most people see a 1986 or 1987 Lincoln penny and assume it's just common pocket change. It's modern. It's everywhere. It can't possibly be special, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Even modern pennies can hide important details, and collectors quietly check these years for specific reasons. Let's start with the 1986 Lincoln penny. Why this time? Pennies were being produced on zinc planchets with a thin copper coating. Millions were struck. Most entered circulation immediately. That means heavily worn examples are extremely common today. But condition changes everything. If you find a 1986 penny with sharp hair detail on Lincoln, strong lettering, clean fields, and original mint luster, that coin already stands above most others. High-grade modern pennies are far less common than people think because they were used heavily from day one. Now here's where things get interesting. Collectors carefully examine the date and lettering on 1986 pennies for signs of doubling. Sometimes the numbers look slightly thicker. Sometimes letters appear to have a subtle shadow. These small details can indicate a doubled die or strike issue. Look closely at Liberty. Look at "In God We Trust." Tilt the coin under a bright light. Small distortions can be clues. Now let's move to the 1987 Lincoln penny. At first glance, it seems almost identical. Same design, same general appearance. But again, condition and strike quality are everything. Many 1987 pennies show weak strikes. The hair detail is flat. The reverse Lincoln Memorial lacks strong architectural definition. So when a sharply struck 1987 penny appears, with crisp lines and minimal marks, collectors notice immediately. Errors are also possible in 1987. Die cracks may appear as raised lines across the surface. Die chips can show up as small bumps of extra metal. Off-center strikes and planchet flaws occasionally appear. These aren't common, but they're real, and here's something most people miss. Cleaning these coins destroys value. Many people think shine equals value. It doesn't. Original mint surfaces, even slightly toned ones, are always preferred by collectors. Once a coin is cleaned, that originality is gone forever. Lighting and magnification are key. Tilt the penny slowly under a light. Watch how the surface reflects. Study the rims. Examine the spacing of the letters. Compare multiple examples side by side. Differences become easier to see when you slow down. Right now, 1986 and 1987 Lincoln pennies are still widely available in circulation, jars, and coin rolls. But high-quality examples and error coins are quietly removed by collectors whenever they appear, and once they're pulled from circulation, they rarely come back. Most valuable finds don't look dramatic at first glance. They look ordinary. The secret is in the details. So before you ignore another 1986 or 1987 penny, take a closer look. Study the strike. Check the lettering. Look for doubling. Preserve original surfaces, because sometimes the coins people overlook the most are the ones collectors quietly search for.